Hey guys, we're getting kind of close to what feels like the end of winter here in West Michigan. And one of the things that's really important to make sure is in good shape on your home is the gutter system. A lot of times when we get close to spring, you'll hear about people with flooded basements, moistures in their foundation, things like that. And really that stems back to controlling the water that's flowing around your house. So I've just got a little piece of gutter right here. This is just a regular aluminum gutter like we would see on most people's homes. The way this works is the water just rolls off the roof into the gutter, goes to some downspouts, and it flows away. The biggest things you want to make sure are taken care of is make sure that your gutters are clean. If they're clogged up or full of leaves from last fall, they're not going to do their job. They can fill up and just spill the water around the foundation of your house, which is going to run into your basement. And cause you some problems. The other thing is just make sure that they're still even. If your gutters are bent or damaged and holding water, they're going to do the same thing. It's not going to move the water away from your home properly. And then the third thing would be make sure that your downspouts are clear and connected. A lot of times when people are struggling with foundation issues or water in their basement and we go check it out, or we're at the house and just kind of asking questions about their project, we notice that the downspouts are disconnected and the water is just pouring near the foundation and not going where it's supposed to. So if you're trying to make sure that your house is in good shape this spring, make sure that your gutters are clean, make sure that they're in good shape, and make sure that the downspouts are connected and doing what they're supposed to do. If you need a new gutter system, we're happy to help with that. But more than anything, just wanted to give you these tips to make sure that your house stays dry this spring. Thanks.